Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually delete any kind of photo you are tagged in on Facebook. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, you need to open Facebook and then you need to click on the three line you can see on the screen, and after that you need to scroll all the way down. Now click on settings and privacy option. Now click on settings, and usually you will find the activity log option in this section, but from my case it's a different thing, which is I need to click on that, and here you will be able to see activity log. Okay, so you need to click on that option like activity log. Now you need to click on filters and categories, right? So here you can see there are so many options available. Now here you can see activity you are tagged in. So as we are going to delete photos, now you have need to select photos, right? So here you will be able to see the photos you are tagged in Facebook. Okay guys, so now here you can see there are lots of photo tag. Okay guys, so you need to select the specify tagged post that you want to actually remove. Okay guys, so I'm just going to that option again. Okay, so uh, let's suppose this is the post you want to actually delete, or you want to remove the tag. If you want to remove the tag, you also can remove. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have successfully removed the tag, right? You need to click on the three dot. Now you also can hide these tagged photos from timeline, and you can do whatever you want. So yeah, that's how you can actually delete any photo that you are tagged in on Facebook. I hope you guys understand this video.
So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.